The Flair Classic is the original Flair espresso maker and is our most affordable option. It's great for new brewers as it comes with 2 portafilter options, one for pre-ground coffee and another for freshly ground coffee. Let's take a look at what's included with the Flair Classic: a lever assembly and frame base, a bottomless 2-in-1 portafilter and spout, a flow control portafilter, a heat-efficient brew cylinder, a piston and pressure gauge, a dispersion screen, a drip tray, a funnel, a dosing cup and tamper, a preheat cap, and a hex key bolt and wrench. Assembling the Flair Classic. Start by turning the post and lever assembly upside down. Next, insert the end of the post into the mounting point on the base. Then insert the hex bolt into the mounting hole and tighten with the provided hex wrench. Make sure it is hand tight and do not over tighten. Brewing with the flow-controlled portafilter. Use the funnel to add roughly 15 grams of pre-ground coffee to the red flow-controlled portafilter. Next, tamp lightly using the dosing cup on a level surface. Add the dispersion screen to the top of the portafilter and place onto the brew base. Then, place the heat-efficient brew cylinder onto the portafilter and fill with boiled water to the max level line on the inside wall of the cylinder. Insert the piston and pressure gauge into the top of the brew cylinder and rotate the pressure gauge upward for best viewing angle. Next, lower the lever until the gauge reads in the espresso zone. The extraction should take between 15 to 20 seconds. Brewing with the 2-in-1 bottomless portafilter. You cannot brew pre-ground coffee with the 2-in-1 bottomless portafilter and will need to use an espresso-capable burr grinder. All other steps of the brewing process are the same. Your extraction should take between 20 to 25 seconds. If the extraction is faster or slower, adjust your grind settings accordingly. Using the preheat cap. If you are brewing a lighter roast or want an extra hot shot, you can use the preheat cap to heat up the brew cylinder prior to brewing. To do so, lay the cap on a flat surface, insert the brew cylinder and fill with boiled water, let sit for 30 seconds, then dump the water out. The brewing cylinder will now maintain higher water temperature while brewing. Be sure to clean your Flair Classic components after each use. Slowly lift the lever and remove the assembled brew head from the Flair Classic frame. Remove the piston by gripping the arm of the pressure gauge and slowly twisting and turning until it is released. Then turn the cylinder upside down and tap on a flat surface to remove the puck and screen. Ensure to remove the screen from the coffee grounds so it is not lost. Next, detach the portafilter by gripping the brew cylinder with one hand and the portafilter with the other. Lightly twist and pull until the two are separated. Rinse all brewing parts using cool water from the tap. Do not use soap as this will impact the taste of your future espressos. We hope you enjoy brewing on the Flair Classic. The Flair Classic is the espresso maker that launched our company and is very near and dear to our hearts. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer support team using the QR code in the provided manual.